Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
How are you?
I am fine.
What is your name?
My name is Muhammad Shaban.
Where are you from?
I am from Tehran.
Now I want to ask you some GK questions about our country India.
Yes, brother, must ask.
So my first question is, what is the name of our country?
India is the name of our country.
My next question is, what is the capital of our country?
Delhi is the capital of our country.
My next question is, how many names of our country?
There are 4 names of our country, India.
Question is, who was the first Mughal emperor of India?
Babur was the first Mughal emperor of India.
My next question is, who built the famous monument Taj Mahal?
Shah Jahan built the famous monument Taj Mahal.
My next question is, who built the Jama Masjid?
Shah Jahan built the Jama Masjid.
My next question is, where is Taj Mahal located?
The Taj Mahal located in Agra.
My next question is, where is Jama Masjid located?
The Jama Masjid located in Delhi.
My next question is, what was the name of great Mughal emperor?
Akbar was the name of great Mughal emperor.
And now my last question is, who is known as Missile Man of India?
Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is known as Missile Man of India.
You explained very well. In which madrasa do you study?
I study in Madrasa Jamia Arabiya Darul Ulum Siddiqia Qari Muhammad Sabir Saab Tehran.
Masha Allah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله